I-29 right now, boys.
Drag racing.
Race night at its finest.
Yes, sir.
Jesus Christ. You're never gonna get free groceries like this.
Look, I accidentally took this shit.
Oh, hell no.
Look at that. All the black smoke coming out of it.
Hey, we're out here at the track still.
No, we're not.
There's Caesar. I don't think you guys have met Caesar. What's up, Caesar?
What's up?
How's it going?
What's up, boys?
Yeah, we got the MST photographer, and then the other photographer just went that way. We're getting ready to watch. Looks like a Ram, and then can't tell what that other one is, to be honest.
Look at this kid. It's go.
Oh, look at this. You think he's a photographer because he drives a K8 dual overhead cam when he should be LS swapping it. Like, boy, what are you doing? Boy.
Plan to come.
What?
Plan to come. Not LS.
Why not? What'd you think of that run?
Look, I got it when it was launching.
Yeah, dude, that was crazy fast. I don't even know how to tell you.
Or is this the other one?
It might be Bang Hart Cummins. I don't know. Hold on, let me.
No, I don't think it is.
Hell yeah, brother. That wasn't rubber. That was diesel. Hell yeah, brother. That's the way to do it. We'll get back to you.
He was showing me some pictures.
Gang, we're out here at the meet. Jalen, where are we?
We out here. We
Hey,
out here somewhere.
That's Jalen right there.
Come on, let me turn on the brightness.
No, the brightness is up.
Bro, the brightness is up. We're good.
We're good.
Tyler. What's up?
We're here at our what is it, third meet of the year
Yes, sir.
due to our shitty weather.
Yeah.
Looks good so far. Hopefully we pack a lot again.
Living in Nebraska sucks, let me tell you. What's up, dude? What's your name?
Cole.
Cole. Okay, okay.
Yeah, I introduced myself
Part
yesterday. But
of the page right there on Facebook. Hell yeah. We're all getting it done. There's a S4 right there, a GTR, and then a Cadillac CTS-V coupe. That's badass. Oh, dude, you can't forget about the Titan.
Hey, is this good?
you know,
Hold on.
the brightness on it.
Fast.
That's the most running I've ever seen you do.
Shut the fuck up. No, I'm just kidding. We're
We got a fucking C6.
I think we're only, let me check.
He wishes.
We're only 21 minutes into the
be
meet,
like, "That's too
and we already got a ton of cars here. So,
Hell no.
Bet you won't say it?
Oh, matter of fact.
Your sister's 21 minutes into me, bro.
Word.
god damn, that's kind of cool.
He said this guy.
Chill out, dude. What's up, Caesar?
What's up, dude?
Hey, we got two photographers now. You and Jacob.
Jacob Stam, huh?
Damn, bro. Hey, whoa, chill out. What'd you just say?
I said Caesar is Jake's replacement for the night.
Because Jake ain't coming.
What the? Why not, bro? Why y'all tripping,
Caesar
dude?
takes good.
Dude, get that shit out of my bag, bro. Oh god. Hey, look at this Evo. Dude, that's Michael Terrell, bro. That's fucking sweet.
Dude, this dude's not sponsored by mom and dad. He's watching the sticker. Mom and dad. So he showed me a picture of the brakes on his Jeep. Oh no. Fucking the day after I bought it. Like,
It looks so.
the rotor was like on the inside of the road.
Back in the game with the white man.
The dog just shit itself.
See,
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's the Jetta. That's Chris Spindler's Jetta.
Hey, he's gonna hit. I mean, he's gonna see me out there, but he's got my Jesse.
Oh, hell. Oh, no. That wasn't Chris Spindler's Jetta. Let's go fucking check it.
Hey, look over. Hey, look over.
dude, I'm getting it right up close.
Last one.
I want to know if there's flames spitting out the bottom.
That was lit.
What are you doing?
Hey, do we have a big MST banner? For real. Consoles are cool here. I don't know. Make that banner.
God damn it, we got the fucking cops at our meet right now, bro. We got Able 1 up in the air circling. That's awesome, yeah.